such as enrofloxacin, doxycycline, and amoxicillin are below. It's essential to follow the veterinary prescription and dosage instructions strictly. Symptoms of young bird sickness include loss of appetite, weight loss, lethargy, puffed up feathers, greenish-yellow diarrhea, vomiting, coughing, sneezing, runny nose, conjunctivitis, swollen crop, death. Racing pigeons have been bred and trained for years to compete in races, with their speed and endurance prized among fanciers. However, one common health issue that affects young racing pigeons is young bird sickness. This